Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to check your Ubisoft Connect rewards. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and download the Ubisoft of course application. If you're having struggles with that, you can always go and check out our YouTube channel where we have plenty of how to Ubisoft videos where you can check out how you can do that. But now guys, let's see what we have in front of us here. So on the left side of the screen, we have the home, library, store, and Ubisoft Plus. And we also have the account here. In the bottom left corner, we have the download manager, and in the top right corner, subscribe to Ubisoft. But now, guys, let's see how you can actually go and check your Ubisoft Connect rewards. So, first of all, make sure that you're on in online mode. So go to your profile, click on profile, and here be online, like this. Now, click on rewards, tab in the main menu. So you need to go and find the rewards tab. And when you, of course, do so, then you'll need to go and click, you'll see available rewards, click on each reward to view more detail and redeem if you haven't, of course, already redeemed your reward. You can also visit the Ubisoft website for more information on how to check and unlock your rewards on Ubisoft. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it'll be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.